If you come to Thailand, you always notice the taxi drivers, they have like a mental sniffer. So this is basically a mental sniffer, but very Thai. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Siam Discovery. So the Siam Discovery was all renovated in 2016, and I would like to show you an alternative for MBK and Chatuchak, which I've shown already many times. And this is the ICONCRAFT here at the Siam Discovery Mall, and then also later I will bring you to the Siam Absolute, which is in the Siam Center. At ICONCRAFT you will find local Thai products made by Thai craftsmen from across the country. If you're buying anything at ICONCRAFT, you will also support the local community. And also I want to introduce you to the One Siam tourist card. And this is a tourist card that you can apply for online. So you can register yourself at the One Siam website. I will put a link in the description here. And after you registered, you can show the barcode or you can show your passport when you buy your products. You get an instant 5% discount. This is valid at Siam Paragon, Siam Center and Siam Discovery. On some selected items, you can even get up to 30% discount. On many items, you can also claim up to 6% VAT back at the airport. Just ask the staff for more information about that. So this is the ICONCRAFT. There's a part here where you have all kinds of furniture, especially if you're living in Bangkok and you're looking for something typical Thai, then you can come here and check it out. It's not the cheapest option, but it's all Thai handcraft. So it's made in Thailand by Thai people, and the good thing is that it's very original. So if you're looking for an original piece, for example this chair or this furniture, then this is a very good option. And in many of these projects, a part of the proceedings of what they make here goes to the project as well. And I think this is very interesting for expats that live in Bangkok. You know, these are great pieces to hang on the wall. Yeah, and what I mentioned, if you use the Siam One card, you get 5% discount directly for anything that you buy here. If you're a tourist, you can get an extra VAT return up to 6%. By the way, if you show your One Siam tourist card, you get a free lotion here. You can pick any one of these. So that's already a win. For many of the products, you also have some information. So for example, this is a designer called Nakarin Yano, and he's from Chiang Mai, and he designed these bags. And it's just a nice way to shop. For example, these cards, you know, you can these are foldable postcards. I've seen them around. This is just a very good shop to get an alternative present for your people back home, or just for something that you want to use yourself. Plai Tian, handcrafted candles. So this is the Ama coffee from Chiang Rai, and they have different tastes. So one package is 360 baht, and in this area you have all kinds of perfumes and cosmetics, also all made in Thailand. I like this one. If you come to Thailand, you always notice the taxi drivers, they have like a mental thing, a sniffer. So this is basically a mental sniffer, but very Thai. I think these ones, yeah, they are like 160 baht. But this is a very nice present to bring back home, right? So here, for example, you have water paint of typical Thai monuments of the Golden Mount Temple. And here, this is Scotch tape. This is, I like this idea. This is Scotch tape and they put Thai food. So for example, you have the mango sticky rice. And these are just nice little things to bring back home. And these things don't have to cost you too much. This is from the Siam Bronze Factory. So this ICONCRAFT is located in Siam Discovery. Siam Discovery opened in 1997 and it's part of the One Siam complex, which are 3 different malls. The main mall you might know the best is the Siam Paragon. I want to show you also the Absolute Siam, which is in the Siam Center, and Absolute Siam, a souvenir shop. You have a lot of t-shirts. Let me bring you there. Welcome to the Absolute Siam. So here at Absolute Siam you'll find designer t-shirts. It's mostly Thai designs, and this is just a little bit different than what you find in the regular shops at MBK. So you won't find your same but different t-shirt or biolao, but this is a bit more upscale. It's also a bit more expensive, of course, but you do get something very unique. What I like about this shop as well is that there are some typical Thai products here that you know, only if you live in Thailand you might know about it. So for example, this face mask here, it has the design of the Thai lottery ticket, April Fool's Day. And for example, this pillow here, this is a typical Thai medicine. And if you live in Thailand, you know about this. So it's just, you know, you can just find something a bit out of the ordinary. So here on the ground floor of the Siam Center, they specialized in sporting goods and sport shops. So there is an Under Armour shop, there is an Adidas shop, and they have the flagship store for Southeast Asia for Nike. And I'm always wearing Nike shoes, so I'm gonna go and have a check if I can find a nice model, and if I find, I will buy it, and then I will definitely use my One Siam tourist card and I'll get my 5% discount. So I'm ending this video in front of the largest Nike shop, the flag store in Southeast Asia. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the ICONCRAFT and the Absolute Siam Store. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.